Welcome to Festive Phrases from the Radiolingua Network. I'm Mark, and each day of December, I'm bringing you a festive phrase in a different language. Today, I'm with Anne because we're learning Russian.
Здравствуйте. Меня зовут Анн. Как дела?
Хорошо, спасибо. I'm well, thanks. Russian is the official language of Russia and is also an official language of Belarus, Kazakhstan, and Kyrgyzstan. It's also spoken in many other countries in this area. Russian is one of the 6 official languages of the United Nations, and it's written in a different alphabet from English. It's called the Cyrillic alphabet. There are 33 letters in the Russian alphabet, and you'll see an example of a word in just a moment. Let's get on with our Russian lesson. Anne, can you tell us how you would say Happy Christmas in Russian?
С Рождеством.
Okay, let's hear that again, and we'll really concentrate on the pronunciation and repeat after Anne.
С Рождеством.
Let's have it one more time.
С Рождеством.
Okay, so you can now wish Russian speakers a happy Christmas. Let's add our Russian speakers to the map of the world. There are around 143 million speakers of Russian, and if we add them to the languages that we've already learned, our grand total is 481,548,550 people in the world to whom you can wish a festive greeting. Okay, that's all for today. We'll be back again tomorrow with more festive phrases. In the meantime, thanks and goodbye.
Спасибо. И до свидания.
Festive Phrases is brought to you by the Radiolingua Network. If you would like to find out more about learning a language anytime, anywhere with Radiolingua, please visit our website on radiolingua.com. To find out about our workshops and products for schools, please visit radiolinguaschools.com.